You're not lazy, you're not broken. And this isn't just about the food on your plate. What if I told you that the real reason your weight loss is stuck is hiding deep inside your mind? This will change the way you see weight loss forever. Hey, welcome back to Slim Down Secrets, where we don't just chase numbers on a scale, we chase freedom. Today's video might be the most powerful thing you hear all year, because we're diving deep into the emotional side of weight loss, where food is more than fuel. It's comfort, control, identity, even survival. Let's talk about the part of the journey nobody prepares you for, your mental health. You see, weight gain doesn't always come from too many calories. Sometimes it comes from a broken heart, sometimes from childhood trauma. Sometimes it's the only thing in life you feel you can control. There's a reason why stress makes you crave sugar. There's a reason why your body stores fat when you're sad, overwhelmed, or anxious. It's not weakness, it's biological survival mode. When your brain thinks you're in danger, even emotionally, it floods your system with cortisol. That hormone tells your body, hold on to fat, you might need it. Raise your hand if you've ever eaten a whole bag of chips and barely tasted a single one, or reached for ice cream after a fight. That's not weakness. That's your brain doing its best to protect you. Food lights up the same pleasure centers in the brain as drugs. Yes, sugar, carbs, salty snacks, they literally calm emotional pain. This is called emotional eating. And get this, over 60% of people with weight struggles also deal with anxiety or depression. But most never get help for that part. Why? Because the world keeps yelling, eat less, move more. And we suffer in silence, thinking it's our fault. It's not just physical, it's psychological. Here's the truth they don't teach in most diet programs. Your brain controls your body. If your mental health is suffering, your body will hold onto weight as a shield, as a survival tool, as armor. Studies show that when people address their emotional trauma, their weight starts to change, even without extreme dieting. In one groundbreaking study, participants who practiced daily mindfulness lost significantly more belly fat than those who just focused on exercise. Why? Because mindfulness lowers cortisol, and when cortisol drops, your body can release fat safely. Meditation, journaling, therapy, these can actually be fat loss tools. Let's get practical for a second. Here are 3 science-backed mental health hacks that support weight loss, without counting a single calorie. Hack number 1, name it to tame it. When you feel a craving, pause and ask yourself, what am I actually feeling? Is it boredom, loneliness, anger? When you name the emotion, it loses power. Studies show this reduces emotional eating by over 40%. Hack number 2, walk it out. Daily 15-minute walks don't just burn calories. They release endorphins and balance serotonin. This reduces depression and lowers stress-driven fat storage. 1 walk equals 1 mental reset. Hack number 3, safe people save pounds. We were never meant to do this alone. Create a support system, even just one person you can vent to when you want to give up. Accountability and love heal what shame cannot. Your journey is not just about fitting into jeans. It's about healing the parts of you that believed you weren't enough unless you were thin. But you are enough, right now. And from that place of worth, the weight will begin to shift. Let this sink in for a moment. You are not losing weight to become worthy. You are taking care of your body because you already are. Every tear you've cried, every time you started over, every day you showed up when it hurt. That's not weakness. That's power. If this video hit your heart, it was meant to. You deserve to feel strong, in your mind and your body, and you don't have to walk this alone. Tell me in the comments, what's one emotional habit you want to work on this week? Hit subscribe if you're ready to heal from the inside out. Like this video to spread this message to someone who needs it. Then check our description below to get tools and products that will help you in this journey. Remember, losing weight starts in your mind, but freedom, that starts in your heart. You are not what you weigh. You are what you overcome.